The other day, I was trying to play Ninjago, and I couldn't because my my son was trying to play a different game using the same account. So I said that's okay. I'll just create a new Steam account and pay whatever $2-3 to get Lego Ninjago on the other account, which I put onto here. But the problem is, how do I transfer a save game from one Steam account to a different Steam, or yeah, to a different Steam account, different computer? So hopefully that made sense to you. So I wanted to transfer from this computer onto this computer, and so I don't. First thing was I didn't even know where the save game files were. So after some sleuthing, I was able to figure out that save game files are located over here under, depending on which system you use. I'm using Windows, so see program files x86 Steam user data. I've already opened up that folder. So program files under C, Steam, and at the very bottom is user data. And you just go into the first folder. It's just probably your user folder. Now this part is trying to find which app or game that you're using. Most likely you're using on your game cloud, Steam Cloud enabled. And so if you go over here to this URL and log into, this isn't fake, you can log into steampower.com first and then copy and paste this URL, which will take you to over here. And then it'll show you your games as well as showing the save game files. So I want a Lego Ninjago. Again, I just put in this URL and then they'll ask me to log in to Steam Powered. It's an official website. So once I click on show the files for Lego Ninjago, it gives me the app ID at the very top, which is useful because now I know which folder, because some people might have like 20 games. By using the remote storage Steam Cloud website, you can find out what the app ID is. There might be an easier way to find the app ID, but 6459 remote save games, and then here's the save games that I need to copy over. So fair enough. Go into your new computer over here. Over here, you need to install and play the game. The caveat to this is you just can't copy these files over. That was my own experience for Lego Ninjago movie video game. You just can't copy these save game files all over to this file directory. It won't work. You have to do one last thing before you copy these files over to the same similar directory. You need to start the game. So this is on a different what's it called, Steam account that I'm playing the game. Okay, once Lego Ninjago the movie video game has loaded, the thing is to be able to copy the game over, what you need to first do is you need to go to new game and then create a new game in one of these slots for each slot that you want to transfer over. So what I had to do is I had to create that new game, save it and play it, and then quit. So if I were to, let's say, press enter here, I would then click yes and proceed and play the game and then quit. So let's say I created a new game and it was loading. At this point, I can exit using Apple Shift, stop the game, confirm. So you need to actually create the game. And once it's created, now you can copy from this computer slot 1, which is 3 files, into over here, the slot 1, copy those files. So I hope that made sense. Again, it's using the same file structure. program files x86 to Steam to user data. This is like your game ID or whatever. Hopefully it's okay with me sharing it. Then you go into the app ID, go into remote, save games, and again, now I can copy these files into here. Hopefully, I mean, I'm not showing you exactly detailed how to do it, but you copy these files over after you've created the game, create the save game within here, and the save game will work. Otherwise, it won't show up. I tried, just copying the folder over, and it still showed as a new game. The stuff didn't transfer over, but I think for other games, I guess for Lego type games, this will probably work. But for other games, it might just be easy enough where you can just copy the games over. So copy the save game stuff over. So just wanted to mention this for Lego Ninjago movie video game. This is what I had to do to transfer over the save games from a different computer. You need to probably use a USB flash drive, as well as these are two different Steam accounts. Had it been the same Steam account, I could have just installed and played it. But they're different Steam accounts, and the reason why I'm doing it is because Steam does not allow you to play multiple games at the same time from different computers, which I think doesn't make any sense because I own the game. Why can't I play two games at once? But that's a different story.